Talk about having to film this look and your bestie's wedding was sunflower themed. I mean, I'm gonna be wearing this corsage later on. I'm gonna be installing a wig today, so that's fun. Still got my BO's HD wig cap, superior quality. It's only my second time doing this with press-on nails. God help me. Nexus XXL medium hold hairspray. Are you fucking kidding me? This is hilarious. Okay. That's what I get. That's what I get. I'm still just riding a cruise. I got this RCMA powder. My friend Alex recommended it to me. Hey Alex, thank you for recommending this. I put some on my hand and I'm just gonna dab it in a little pad and stick it on. I've never had luck with gluing down my brows and then powders, but we shall see. I've had issues in the past where the Maron liquid makeups, they crack around my jaw and around my T-zone. I was told it's because I'm very oily, so the liquid makeup breaks with my oils. So I'm gonna go in with this Maron Skin Prep Pro. I'm going to tone my problem areas with this and see if I yield a different result this time. Oh, yeah, that definitely dried the shit out of my skin. Lovely. Wow, so I didn't even tell you what I was doing. I'm doing a summer into fall transition look. I was thinking of doing like half yellow, half orange. So I'm gonna be going in with this yellow Maron liquid makeup, and then on the other side, I'm gonna mix it with this red Maron liquid makeup. And I'm going to be mixing those with the Maron mixing liquid from my airbrush machine. You can be Athena palette. I'm gonna take some yellow and see if I could cover up my brow. Let's see how well that holds up. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with this orange. I'm gonna keep going back and forth and kind of blend this dark line out. I would like it to be more of a seamless transition. With this side, I'm gonna do orange contours. And on this side, I'm gonna do red contouring. Go with a lighter shade of yellow under my eye. I got these mini bouquets from the dollar store and I was thinking gluing them on my chest. Like this side is the summer side, this is the fall. I'm going to stick them on using some liquid latex. This time I got these disposable wedges because I've thrown out way too many brushes applying liquid latex. I'm gonna start with this bouquet and I'm just gonna like randomly place it where I feel like it would look nice. I think I just needed to wait for it to get tacky enough. Okay, that's cute. Maron Makeup Paradise AQ palette. I want to make skeleton teeth. I made both of them black. I made this crown. If you want to know how I made it, I'm gonna link it right here. I'm gonna go in with my Blend Bunny Blends palette. I'm gonna go in with Nevermore. Pack that on my lid. Pack that under my eye. Just gonna soften up those edges a little bit. Now I'm going in with barley. Boogie Boogie. Going back in with Nevermore, blending the outside edges. Serendipity. Gonna go in with Luxe, shade in my mouth. Back in with Nevermore. It's not symmetrical. I got these gems from Walmart. I'm gonna try to like fill in some of the negative spaces with these. Okay, I feel like that's better. These might be the biggest, fluffiest eyelashes I own, so I'm gonna use them. Milani Highly Rated Lash Extensions Tubing Mascara. I was going to use my dead eye contacts, but I feel like my fire contacts are more on theme. So I'm gonna go put those in and I'll be right back with the finished look. All right, so this is the finished look. This is my summer side and this is my autumn fall side. And again, if you'd like to know how to make this crown, I will link it for you down below. Let me know what you guys think of my summer to fall transition. I think it's very asymmetrical. I feel like I could have done better with that, but besides that, it looks okay. I mean, it looks pretty good. I didn't have high hopes coming back into doing something so creative after 3-4 months, but here I am. I feel like I did pretty good, you know, for just jumping back in. Ta-da! Definitely let me know if there was something that you felt like I could have changed, or if you did this, you would have done differently. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye-bye.